Hiring a professional concrete pumping company can make a significant difference in the success of your construction or renovation project. If you're considering working with Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC, knowing what to expect can help you feel confident, prepared, and ready to get the best results. From initial planning to project completion, a reliable team ensures the process is smooth, efficient, and tailored to your needs. The process typically begins with a consultation. During this stage, you'll discuss the details of your project, including the type of work being done, the site conditions, and the volume of concrete required. Whether you're working on a residential driveway, foundation, or a larger commercial project, Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC will assess your specific needs and recommend the right equipment and approach. This step is important because it sets the foundation for a well-organized and efficient operation. Once the project details are finalized, scheduling is arranged. A professional company understands the importance of timing in construction. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC works to coordinate with your project timeline, ensuring that their services align with other phases of the job. Clear communication during this stage helps avoid delays and keeps everything running on schedule. On the day of the project, you can expect a prepared and organized team to arrive with the necessary equipment. Concrete pumping requires specialized machinery, such as boom pumps or line pumps, depending on the scope of the work. The crew will position the equipment carefully to ensure safe and efficient operation. This preparation allows concrete to be delivered precisely where it's needed, even in hard-to-reach areas. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a professional service like Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC is efficiency. Instead of manually transporting concrete, pumping allows for faster placement with less labor. This not only speeds up the process but also helps maintain the quality of the concrete. Proper handling ensures a consistent mix and reduces the risk of issues such as uneven surfaces or weak spots. Safety is another key aspect you can expect. Concrete pumping involves heavy equipment and requires careful handling. A professional team follows established safety practices to protect both workers and your property. This includes proper setup, monitoring during operation, and ensuring that all equipment is functioning correctly. Their experience helps minimize risks and keeps the project running smoothly. Precision is also a major benefit. Concrete pumping allows for accurate placement, which is especially important for detailed work or areas with limited access. Whether you're pouring a foundation, slab, or other structure, the ability to control where the concrete goes improves the overall quality of the finished product. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC focuses on delivering consistent results that meet your expectations. Throughout the project, communication remains a priority. A reliable company keeps you informed about progress and any adjustments that may be needed. This transparency helps you stay involved and ensures that the final outcome aligns with your goals. If questions or concerns arise, you can expect clear and straightforward answers. Cleanup is another part of the service you can expect. Once the concrete has been placed, the team will handle equipment breakdown and site cleanup. This leaves your property in good condition and allows you to move on to the next stage of your project without added stress. Working with Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC also means benefiting from professional expertise. Their experience allows them to handle a variety of project types and challenges. Whether it's navigating tight spaces or managing large pours, their knowledge helps ensure the job is done correctly and efficiently. In the end, hiring Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC means choosing a service that prioritizes efficiency, safety, and quality. From the initial consultation to the final cleanup, you can expect a streamlined process that supports your project every step of the way. With the right team in place, your concrete work can be completed with confidence, precision, and lasting results.